Thanks for checking out AniBits. In this video, I'm going to tell you about some free programs, and I'm going to show you how you can grab these free AniBits here, these animation templates. So AniBits are animation templates that I've set up where everything's kind of set up for you, and you really just need to, you can import them into my Easy Animator app, Easy Animator Pro, or Explaindio, in any program that will work with SVG files. And what it does is it really just allows you to either go ahead and use these SWF animations that I provide automatically. So if you don't want to mess with creating your own, you can just go ahead and use these, or you can make it your own, as I'll show you here in a second. Each of these animations, by the way, are provided in 3 variations. So there's one with kind of just a pause animation. It's just a looping animation. And there's one here with in and a pause and then an out animation. And then finally there's one with in and static and then an out animation. And so you can go ahead and use these right out of the box. If you don't have Explaindio or a program that works with SWF animations, you can use the free export that's here in SWF Exporter, which you can get it for free at swfanimations.com. And this has 2 things. It allows you to preview the SWF animations, and it also, again, lets you export them to MOV. And notice here that if you're working with a high resolution video, you can just go ahead and click on one of these, and it will increase the size in the MOV file when you export it. So all of these pieces, and let me just show you the categories real quick, by the way. All of these, the different categories here in this freebie are web, marketing, cloud computing, social network, shopping, and video and movies. And there's over 100. I think there's 108. And you see here that their first number is 16. And that's how many animation templates are. Let me go ahead and expand this out. And you can see what I call the AniBits, and each one of them has a folder that you can easily recognize what it is in that category, and then you can go ahead and open up inside of Easy Animator, which I'll show you in a second. Or you can click on the animation. So I'm clicking on this right here, and I'm choosing Open, and it's just going to show you the different animations that are in here in SWF Exporter. So now let me pop over to Easy Animator, which you can get for free at easyanimator.com. And this is the light version of Easy Animator Pro, but it still has over 500,000 different possibilities of animations. And the quick and easy thing to do is to go ahead, I've already imported this. I can come to a preset here, and there's just a few, but this just gives you an idea of the power of Easy Animator Pro. But it's also a great starting point. So you can go ahead and click on one of these, and it automatically applies an animation to each piece here, and so you can close that. And then if you wanted to, let's say I wanted to take the audience members there and give them a different animation. So I'm going to do maybe do a bounce. They're kind of excited about the movie they're watching or something like that. And so you can do things like that just really fast and easy. So if you want to just try a different animation, none, you can have them there, or you can do a different animation and so forth. And so there's a lot of fun different possibilities. You can adjust the timing. One thing to also point out is this state option here, which lets you click on that, and then all the different animation options that you select will apply to all images within that in, pause, or out state. So there's a lot that you can do, and I'll be showing you more about what you can do in this tutorials link here with Easy Animator and of course Easy Animator Pro. And you can do all of these kinds of animations also in a program like Explaindio. If you wanted to, you can use a free program like grumpicon.com and convert the SVG files and then animate them inside of something like PowerPoint or Keynote. So there's a ton of different possibilities here, all with these free apps. Now, once you grab this, if you join this list, it's going to be a list. I'm going to be sending you more animations a couple times a month. And I'll also tell you how you can get 500 free more animations just like these, 500 more with AniBits and 1,500 animations for free as well. So check that out. Thank you for checking out Easy Animator and the AniBits.